I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video with Life with the Allens TV. So today we got to hang out with one of our favorite couples. We had a little date day/night and hung out and had a good time. So sit back and enjoy the video.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else?
What you said? No, it do that. It's the most wonderful time. I don't really know if I like this wrap mesh stuff on that tree.
It depends on how you do it.
Yeah. I don't know. I love it. I didn't want you to record me, I said I'm trying to be discreet. Let's go back there. So why these blocked off?
Each person collection. You see all these is person collection.
So they ain't for sale. They just to be.
You just gonna see anything. You can use some of those people because they gonna put it out on sale because he had the park.
Yeah.
I like that grill though.
You don't.
Yeah, it's good. But I like it though.
What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take
This
no
is my
more.
first time in this store in a long time. They had some really cute items for Max. This was like a beard and a Santa's hat. And they had some cute sweaters. I didn't get anything. I let his godmother find him some socks. Oh, and Doug saw this cute cup. He's a huge fan of cookies and milk. So this was the perfect cup. They had the cookies on the side that you can just grab one and dunk it in your milk. So that was funny. He ended up grabbing that cup. But we ended up seeing some cute pet and owner socks. They were so cute. I ended up letting Monica get those so they can wear matching socks. Seriously though, she really just wanted them for the ones that he can wear, so I thought that was so cute.
I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you
is this?
Your phone, you can put your phone on it and it's got the ring.
Oh, heck, this is what you can use for your makeup.
Well, I already got it.
Oh, excuse me.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Excuse me. No, I'm not. You be the one. That's definitely name brand. Can't smell it though.
No.
49. Oh yeah, I like those.
I was in here.
I like them. They're supposed to be a better quality. So cute.
You have your nice nieces that you can.
Yeah.
That'll be a gift too. Whatever.
It's definitely girly. Don't be getting me starting to shop. I ain't coming here for that. See how you do.
Hey,
Bad influence.
I'm just trying to help you out, my sister. Now you know all of these names, so which one of these?
Get this. This is what your mama used to wear back in the day.
Oh no, I don't want that.
White diamond, honey. What y'all know about that?
It's Barbera.
I hadn't smelled that one. They got a pretty good selection though.
Oh really?
Cute. I know you kids. Did you ever get the one from alright. You ever get the one from okay, you gonna get this for me? Is this the one you got? Candy cane. This is gonna smell like. Max, you about to be in trouble fooling with me. Stop the crying. What you whining for? Why are you whining? I'm not about to let you scratch up my leather seats. Just sit down. Chill out. It's okay. It's okay. That's why we can't take you nowhere, because you're just too anxious. What, I need to get you some CBD? That what you want, some CBD? Calm you down, calm your nerves a little bit. My goodness. Guys, this is how Max get when he is in the car or he goes anywhere. He just don't know how to act when he see people, so I gotta give him some type of training, because I want my baby to live a full life. Mr. Allen says he's living great. But yeah, this is him when he see anything. Max, why you so anxious? Max. So guys, I decided to just show you this quick breakfast that I was making. I was making some cheese grits, scrambled eggs, and some bacon. So I like to multitask when I'm trying to just do something really quick. Again, you guys, I'm, the queen of 30-minute meals. So right there, I'm adding some more grits to the boiling water just to thicken it up a little bit. But I am multitasking. I'm just good like that, I can stir my grits and scramble my eggs at the same time. But yeah, just enjoy this quick breakfast that I made for me and Mr. Allen. It was pretty delicious too. He says he enjoyed it.